Literary characters are not static. If they are static, they are not lifelike. Rather, literary characters are dynamic in nature. They are kinetic in soul. And if they are dynamic, they are more lifelike because life is ever evolving, ever changing, and we are not the same persons what we were 10 years ago. So, in literature, we have dynamic characters, we have round characters. Uh, E.M. Forster has talked about it in his aspects of novel, where he has given the concept of flat and round characters.